Hey, good morning there, fellow YouTubers and droners and all the RC folks out there. You know, when I got my Wizard, one of the things that Chris told me I had to do was make sure I kept all the, it wasn't just Chris, but all the screws and everything's tight. So I went to the local hobby shop and we measured the screws, and I think they were like 1mm spindles I needed. And I paid like $18 for 4 spindles at the hobby store. I thought it might be the only place I could find them. And I want to turn you guys on to something I think you might like. I know I found out I like it. But I went to Lowe's, one of my favorite stores, and I got this little kit. It's a Kobalt kit, tool kit. I almost told them they need to start labeling it as a hobby kit of some kind. But inside this kit, we've got this nice hard shell case. And if I can figure out how to open it, inside that hard shell case, you've got a spindle. And I don't know if I can get you to see what sizes are in there, but I found the sizes I needed in here. Really nice. Lots of other sizes are in there too. But let me find the one I was using. Yep, right there, some flat tips, the hexes, but everything you could possibly want as far as different types of heads is in this little case. So I picked that up. It's got a magnetic lid, by the way. You just get it close and she magnetically closes nice and tight. And then on the other side, if you open it up, you've got some other tools that you can use. Those snips you see in the middle right below my big nose, they're really nice. That's what I trimmed the leads off of my battery when my battery broke on my Wizard the first time I flew it. The power leads, the plug got ripped off, so I trimmed them all down to where they can't touch one another and short the battery out. But it's a nice little kit. Now granted, it ran about 35 bucks, if I'm not mistaken, at Lowe's. But I think that was money much better spent than when I went to the hobby store and bought those 3 or 4 spindles for $18 plus tax. Of course, that one had plus tax too, so tax ain't the store's fault. Anyway, I thought you all might like to see that. I've enjoyed using it. It's come in handy with more than just the drones. A lot of times I'm looking for little things to adjust things, and that thing is perfect. It's got a lot of different tips in it. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Y'all take care and God bless. Star Cop out.